A very common problem in the workshop is the issue of disposing of used oils and the extraction of fumes. We have developed a technology that, in addition to eliminating these problems, significantly reduces the noise of the processing. All this happens without compromises. On the contrary, the quality of the spinning is optimal and there is a noticeable increase compared to traditional processes in tool life and processing speed. We are discussing dry processing, a procedure in which the total processing times are further decreased due to the elimination of the drying and cleaning stages of the piece. With dry processing now available on FMC 120, the environmental impact is significantly reduced and the process is more ecological and sustainable.